much deeper when you quit playing charades.
Yeah.
You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe.
Yeah.
But you keep running away. Owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. You might not be intentional, but you seem scared.
Hey fairies, and welcome back to another video. This one is about to get crazy. It's so much to do, so much to get done, so definitely stay tuned for some greatness, innovative wig transformation going on. So I received this $100 wig from Wow African. It's their Ace special unit, and it's the skunk stripe glueless wig. All the wig details will definitely be in the video, and this is not the first time I have used Myfirstwigs. I've used them many times. They are very affordable for all my beginners out there that are intro or trying to dabble in and experiment more with affordable wigs. Still get that great quality, but not super high end, not going to be really costly, and you can still get really good hair to bleach, dye, highlight, all the above. I'm starting a series called Wig Transformation, and I am going to be taking affordable wigs and taking them to the next level. So with this $100 wig, you guys saw that it does come styled already. It is a 16-inch long bob, and it is bleached in the front. And instead of just going in and fixing those blotchy areas on the strip, I just said, you know what? Let's see if we can take this wig all the way to the next level. Level 10, that is. And I'm going to be using this ion bleach. It is the level 10 bleach from Sally Beauty. I will make sure I leave everything down below, but honestly, I have used this bleach already in a couple of my videos, and it is amazing. Lifts hair so good. I've been using this bleach on more expensive type of wigs. This is actually my first time using it on more affordable hair, and it did not let me down. I wanted the back of the wig to be super bright and light. We are going to be putting a toner on the wig, so it really does not matter how the back of the hair looks. You're not really going to be able to see it after I style it. So if y'all are like, what the hell, it's looking little patchy in the back, don't worry, because you're not even going to be able to see it after I style it. I just want to get that bleach super good in the hair, and I use 20 developer in the back and 30 developer in the front. As far as the front of the hair, it is already bleached, so I'm not going to put any bleach on the blonde part. I'm only going to concentrate that bleach on the black root area and kind of feather it out so that it looks a lot more seamless and not so patchy, but I am going to leave a little bit of that showing on the root. Using these little foil strips have definitely helped me with my bleaching and highlighting method. I can bleach a wig so much faster and so much neater by using these black foil strips. So I will definitely make sure I link these down below because they are the savior for bleaching hair. Now, when I told y'all this bleach was A1, I wanted dimension with this hair. So I wanted some areas lighter than others. I also wanted like a sandy brown to poke through. So as far as like the 30 developer, that is what that's going to do as far as giving me that more sandy beige color. And then of course, when I used the 20 developer in the back, it was processing that whole entire time. So it lifted in a matter of like 30 minutes, and I didn't have to let the wig sit after I was done. It was already good to go. So let's wash this wig, and I'm going to use some clarifying shampoo from Ion. I'm also going to use this repair shampoo from Ion as well, just to bring that moisture back to the hair, because it did get stripped just a little bit when I bleached it. That's why I love the Ion charcoal bleach, because it does not strip the hair. It lightens the hair very fast, but it does not jeopardize the porosity of the hair. It still gives it that really strong bond, and another reason why I love it so much. I'm also going to go in with this moisture conditioner. Moisture is going to be our best friend. Okay, we did bleach this hair, and it is affordable, $100 hair. I don't even understand how it's even looking this good, because if this was like a bad quality of affordable hair, it would have fried off. It's not super bad to go the more affordable route. You can still get good quality from $100 hair. It just depends on what type of hair it is. I do know for a fact that this is Indian hair, so that could be why it's bleaching so well. But honestly, y'all, I don't know. Whatever it is, it's bomb for $100. So like I said, I am going to be toning the hair, and I'm using these two toners from Wella Color Charm, and I'm also going to use some 20 Developer from L'Oreal. I didn't have my measuring cup. I actually ended up finding it after I filmed this video. But if y'all don't have a measuring cup like I did not, all you have to do is just fill up the bottles from the toner, and it's a quick fix. So I'm just going to apply that toner all over the entire head, and then I'm just going to let it sit for 20 minutes. So we're going to do the same thing as far as washing it out, shampooing it with some clarifying shampoo, and then using that repair shampoo just to bring that moisture back to the hair. We did use very low developers. I feel like if I went in with like a 40, the hair would have been fried. But because I only used 20 and 30, I feel like the hair is still surviving, but we still wanted to hold on a little bit more by using some good shampoos. This is the mandatory step for getting that custom beige blonde, perfect for chocolate cocoa melanin. And I'm going to be doing a purple shampoo bath. The first purple shampoo I'm using is from Ion, their cool blonde, and this is going to be like our diffuser. If y'all didn't know, shimmer lights is strong, okay? It does turn the hair purple sometimes, so just to dilute that a little bit, that's why I go in with the cool blonde from Ion. And voila, magnifique. This color is bomb. It is giving me dimension. I'm getting all different tones of light beige blonde, medium beige blonde, and it's giving that highlight low light effect that I really wanted. We did bleach the hair, so we got to make sure we clean up the ends to make it nice and crisp and sleek. And then I do go in and create some bangs, and the best way to do this is just making a V shape in the front of the hair. So once I do that on one side, I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side, and I am going to be doing a side part. So the only thing that's different is that I didn't take the bang format up super high on the other side. Now, if you have made it this far in the video, we are almost halfway. I want to see some grape emojis in the comment section so I know it's real. I'm going to be straightening the hair, and then later on I'm going to give it that curly bump doobie kind of look. I'm gonna use this heat protectant serum I got from my nearest beauty supply store. They have this new line. It's actually from a Philly brand. It was my first time using it to straighten this hair, and I honestly feel like if I did not put this product in, this hair would not have that silky bounce to it. This serum was only $4.99, and it definitely did what it had to do. So I'm gonna take my trusty handy dandy EAP flat iron. It's the 1.3 1/4 flat iron, and I love it because it can do a huge amount of hair to straighten it, and I'm not doing this all day long. So another thing that could possibly be a problem for more affordable wigs is the fact that they come pretty big for my small head friendly Girlas. I am a tiny little head. My hair is getting longer, so if I do not braid my hair down and I wear a ponytail, I can usually get away with having bigger wigs. I'm gonna let y'all see what I do to configure the wig to my head shape. And we're gonna have to cut this lace back and pluck the hairline in the front. And then I'm going in with 2 lace sprays. I feel like they are like pretty much the same. The only difference is one has biotin, the other has vitamin E. This is what's going to hold our wig in place while we go in and pluck and push this hairline back to fit our head. And then all I'm gonna do is section off a little bit of hair and then go in with my tweezers, make small sections, pluck away until I feel like the hairline fits my hairline perfectly. Also, if y'all want the tea on how I dye my hair jet black, how I grow my natural hair, and how I do a wash and go on my natural hair, check out my latest video for my PCOS hair care. I will make sure I link it right here. So here is the wig, and I'm going to be putting some foundation inside because we want to make it as seamless as possible. So I just pushed the wig back, and I'm gonna use that same skin protectant and that same lace melt spray and use both of those to do my install in today's video. I just decided to make like these little fuzzy baby hairs, and the way that I do it is I just take that same feathering scissors that I use to create bangs and just feather out the hair in the front to make it a lot more wispy, and I just do some swoop, there it is, baby hairs. And then when I tell you the finesse had to be serious with this lace, it had to be done. So I did go in with some mousse. It's the Design Essentials mousse, and I used that to melt down the lace. But as of right now, in this part of the footage, you're gonna see me do like baby hairs, and it's giving me cringe because I felt like in certain lighting, you can like see the crunchy crunch, but in other lighting, it was fine. So I am gonna be using my barrel iron from Hot Tools to give me that traditional Dominican doobie type of look and curl that hair underneath to give me a lot of volume on the ends of the hair. And then, like I said, I just went in and cut the bangs some more. You're gonna see me cut some bangs more. You're gonna see me cut the hair more. You're gonna see me play around with this lace until I finally get it right. But y'all, I cannot believe I finessed this wig like this. I feel like it's safe to say Laurasia 2.0, Laurasia new and approved. Laurasia, what you got for us in 2024? It's finally happening right now. I feel like I'm in my bag. I feel like I am finally getting back to like the creative style of me being back on YouTube. And listen, it feels freaking amazing. I just want to thank y'all always for the support, always checking in, always trying to see how I'm doing, asking me to come back and make hair videos, hair coloring videos, hair dyeing videos. Like, I have been pushing me for the past 2 years to get back in my Laurasia Andrea bag, and I'm finally here. This wig came out amazing. I don't even understand how I did this with $100 hair. The transformation from before and after is real. Let me know down below that y'all want more videos like this on affordable hair. And as always, let me know how you guys think I did down below. I can't wait to see y'all in my next one, and bye y'all.